Hi students, this was found on Instagram. It was a guitar site, and the best I could do was to screen capture it and save it as a photo, and that's what you're seeing on my screen right now. I've always suggested that the finger exercises that we start in class, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, could always be manipulated or varied into like a 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, or a 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, to develop independence, finger independence. Now, there are 6 permutations for each exercise, starting with the first fret, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's 6 beginning with the second fret, every possible combination, and then 6. So I thought I would do an example of each on a different string of a guitar, going from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in other words, I would do the first one, top left, and go straight down with all the ones starting. So I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the A string, 1, 2, 4, 3. On the D string, 1, 3, 2, 4. On the G string, 1, 3, 4, 2. On the B string, and then on the E string, that was 1, 4, 2, 3. Then the first string, the last one, 1, 4. Then it just goes down, walks down. So in time, let me do that again. Now I've explained what I'm going to do, and this will give you kind of a very varied. It causes the brain to have to really work overtime, and then of course for the fingers to obey to do that. So here we go with the first one, and this is on the 6th string. 1, 2, ready, traditional. That's an example, and let me stop the tape and then work with that.